place I got home right now is Rouse Hill. I'm 23, born 1999, and my full name is William Junior Mapolani.
Can you say that again, your name?
William Junior Mapolani.
I just gotta do the editing. That's cool. What's your background?
I'm Tongan.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you mixed or are you full Tongan?
I think we have a bit of Fijian, and my great grandma's half Samoan, I'm pretty sure.
Oh god
I'm not
damn.
too sure. I got a freaking. Sorry, I shouldn't swear. I gotta refresh my memory, but yeah, I'm pretty sure my grandma's half Samoan.
You mixed all over the place.
Yeah, it's weird because my grandma's half Samoan. Should be I go by full Tongan, but everyone says I look Fijian. So it's just like I'm Islander, bro.
Yeah. People say I look Indian, so. Not for real, son. And I'm like, what the fuck? Anyway.
That stayed in the video. That stayed in the video.
Yeah, but do you have any siblings?
Yeah. I have 4 sisters, 1 brother.
Yeah. Is it hard growing up, like with the family fight?
Family fight? Nah.
Any advantages? What's it like growing up in Sydney, Australia? If you could tell someone back at home, like all the Pacific Islands, what is it like to grow up in Western Sydney? What would you say?
I'm not too sure. I don't know any different. But I guess it's sort of like you're a slave, but you can be like whatever slave you want to be.
So you can be like a rich slave.
You can be like a
good slave.
Like an engineer slave, or I don't know, a garbage man slave. I don't know. Pick your job. No matter what, you're gonna be a slave, but you can achieve things here.
I actually never thought of it that way. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know that so in Samoa they think the Tongan and Samoans in Sydney fight against each other. What do you have to say on that?
I think there's always a bit of beef, instinctual beef, but then you think about it, we're all the same. Yeah. There's just always that history of like the wars that you sort of hear. I don't even know about it, but I just know that our countries are at war. But I guess we just naturally, I think everyone just naturally just has their own group. So they're just like, oh, we're Tongan, they're Samoan. But then we combine when we see Australians, like, oh, they're Aussie and we're FOB. You know what I mean? It's just all about like, there's always groups. And like when the more wider you get, the more we combine. So in the end, all Polynesians just the same anyway.
Yeah, and it's funny if we get close in a room, but just the two of us, we separate.
Yeah,
There's more culture.
Yeah.
Then we get
We're
together.
Suddenly.
Yeah.
What's that you talking?
Yeah.
I don't care, man.
Nah, yeah, it's funny.
You're my... Yeah, that's so true. Eh?
Yeah. So who's better than me? Matima Tonga or Toa Samoa?
Samoa. Because they won the last game. So you got to give it to them, you know what I'm saying? You can't be like that. You can't be prideful, you know what I'm saying? Sorry, Tonga. But we lost.
Fuck, that would have been hard for you to admit,
Nah, it wasn't. They won fair and square. They got the win. They're a good team. They won the last game. Obviously, we had some momentum coming up. I think we were good. We were better last year, maybe, or the year before. But they got the last win. They're better right now.
If you're in a situation and like some of us get stuck in this situation, like where you're one of your mates, like, bro, let's go bash that guy. How do you say no? Like, how do you say no to a mate? And how can you help that mate of yours to get out of it?
I'm gonna ask why. And if the reason's like, obviously, you just gotta ask why. Find out the reason. If you don't agree with it, then don't go through with it. But if it's a good reason, then you'd want to talk to the guy about it. And then if you talk to the guy about it and it's getting worse, then maybe a fight might break out. But if you talk to the guy and he explains his story, like just meditate through words. I'll meditate. Just mitigate through words. But yeah, just try to leave violence until last. But like, yeah, you can't just, oh yeah, let's go bash this guy. And, oh yeah, what do you do? I don't know, you freaking talk shit on me online. It's like, alright. Okay.
Like the weight thing for our community is a big issue, right?
Yeah, it's crazy because like Like religion's a big thing in our community too. Are you religious?
Yeah.
But like overeating is a sin.
Fuck, you're a super nerd.
Yeah. So overeating is a sin. So it's just like you're religious, but you don't follow. I don't know. I'm not religious, but I know that overeating is a sin. So,
I also know people who knows the difference between mitigate
Mitigate.
and a super nerd.
Is it mitigate?
Yeah, no,
Like
you used it the right way, but I never thought I would do an interview.
Yeah, right.
Is there one lesson that you learned from your old man? And what would that be?
Don't be a slut. Straight up. Don't be a slut. Straight up. Fuck me.
Yeah.
What I learned from freaking my old man, kids matter. Your kids matter. That's what I learned, man. Trust me. Trust me.
Yeah, and one lesson you learned from your mom.
One thing I learned from my mum is like, you know the gender roles? The gender roles of like women cook, men work. My mum really shattered that for me. So the one lesson I learned from her is that there's no gender roles. Like men can cook, men can clean. Like it's all about just being a good human being. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So like just there's the gender between women and men is just blurred. So it's just like there's no roles for certain genders. There's just everyone cleans, everyone cooks, everyone works. Especially in Australia. Yeah, especially in Australia because everyone has to work. You can't have one person, or most of the time you can't have one person working unless you have a really good job. Yeah, give me 5 years or something.
I got you.
Give me
man.
5 years?
Yeah,
5 years. I always got your number. 5 years. 5 years. Interview in 5 years.
Nah, but that's a bad interview.
Yeah, sure.